All right, let's start today with the word drink. My favorite word of the day. Drink in Thai isดื่ม ดื่ม with a D. ดื่ม ดื่ม. That's low tone. ดื่ม ดื่ม. All right? Low tone. Well, I guess for me, everything I say is low tone. But anyway, ดื่ม. All right? Means drink. Drinking something. All right. Water. ผมดื่มน้ำ means I drink water. Okay? Or you can put in the word อยาก อยาก means I want. ผมอยากดื่มน้ำ ดื่มน้ำ ผมอยาก ดื่ม Okay? ผมอยากดื่มน้ำ means I want to drink some water. I'm thirsty over here. Come on, man. All right. Next one is ดื่มชา ชา means tea. ชาเย็น means iced tea. ชาร้อน means hot tea. Whatever tea you want. Okay? ชา means tea. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm just going to say ชา means tea. ผมอยากดื่มชา ดื่ม means drink. Drinking tea. Now, wine. ดื่ม wine. ดื่ม wine. Or drinking alcohol is ดื่มเหล้า เหล้า means alcohol. All right? It depends on what's your preference, you know. ผมอยากดื่ม wine means I want to drink some wine. ผมอยากดื่มเหล้า means I want some, I don't know, hardcore liquor like whiskey, bourbon, you know. Just hit it. Just give it to me. I'm ready for it. I'm stressed. Okay? ผมอยากดื่มเหล้า. Now, for kids, นม means milk. Okay? Unless you want to drink some milk. You need some milk. ผมอยากดื่มนม ผมอยากดื่มนม I'm weak. I need some milk. Oh God, man. Okay, the waiter or the waitress might come over to you, or the bartender, you know, male and female bartender might ask you, คุณจะดื่มอะไร คุณจะดื่มอะไร It could be คุณจะดื่มอะไรครับ or คุณจะดื่มอะไรคะ means what would you like to drink. If you hear that, which means basically that's it, you know, what would you like to drink? คุณอยากจะดื่มอะไรครับ for male speaker. If a female speaker or female bartender or waitress will say, คุณจะดื่มอะไรคะ Okay, if you sit at the hotel lobby, they might ask you that. Now, you can use that as well, you know, like your new friend. คุณอยากจะดื่มอะไรครับ means what would you like to drink? Then you order for them. It can be used from the bartender or waitress as well, the wait staff. And then your answer would be ผมอยากดื่ม means I would like to order or I would like to drink ... Okay, a beer. ผมอยากดื่ม beer. Okay, คุณอยากดื่มอะไรครับ And then you say ฉัน if you're female or male, it don't matter. You say ฉันอยากดื่ม... wine, whiskey, you know, I don't know, tea, milk, moonshine. I don't know. I would like to order moonshine. Okay, ผมอยากดื่ม... It's pretty easy. All right. So let's keep this one short. My name is Bodo. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.